Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GameX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This has been on downtrend for a while, but got to this support zone and tried to go on uptrend, but it has been moving within this channel. Okay, so if it breaks out above this channel successfully, it's going to buy, but if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell. But right now, it is selling. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below it. Okay, so I expect more selling opportunity from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, let's check it out together. So this is GainX 999, and of course, this had been on uptrend for a while, and it has got into this resistance zone, so it was unable to break out from there. So I expect it to sell right from here after breaking out from this resistance zone. It sold for a while, but had a pullback, and of course, it's going back down again to see if it will break out from here. Once it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. We are still on 15-minute time frame, and of course, I'm still using the 3M trend miracle trading indicator on my chart. Okay, this started an uptrend right from here. Well, got to this resistance zone, and I said in the morning that if it does not break out above this resistance zone, then we should expect it to sell and may likely get to this region. But unfortunately, it tried to sell for a while, but it didn't go too far before going back to break out above this resistance zone. It happens like that, guys. That is why I always tell you that if there is no breakout, then it should change the direction of the trend. But this time around, it broke out above the resistance zone. So definitely it is still a buy. Okay, so it is still buying at the moment until it gets to the next resistance zone where it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. Now let's check out PayNext 999. PayNext 999 had been on uptrend for long, guys. It had been on uptrend for long. Check it out. We've been milking this on uptrend right from this support region, and of course, it has been breaking out from most resistance zone. It got to this particular resistance zone, which happened to be a major resistance zone. If you should remember, we actually milked this asset till it got to this resistance zone, but it was unable to break out from there. I mean, it was unable to change the direction of the trend right from there. So it went ahead and break out from this particular resistance zone to buy more. And of course, it got to another resistance zone at this point also. And of course, it was unable to change the direction of the trend into a downtrend right from there. So it still broke out above it to buy more. And at the moment, it is still buying. Okay, it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying. But if it does not, then we are most likely to have a change in direction of the trend right from there. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so that is very, very important. Next asset, which happen to be the final asset, is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. This had been on uptrend right from here. If you should remember, we actually made this particular asset few days ago, and it had been on uptrend right from there. Okay, so it is still trying, I mean, it is still pushing up right from there. And of course, this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we have for tonight. And of course, if you have any other question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.